Hey, it's Todd, Geist Interactive. This is how we document our custom functions before we check them into our GitHub repository. First thing we do is we always make sure before we check anything that we run all the tests for the custom functions. So this set of custom functions, our JSON additions custom function set, is 59 tests, and all of them have passed. So we know that the code is solid. So now we want to write the docs for it, for all these functions, so that they can be read in GitHub. So we're just going to follow the instructions in our little CF docs tool here. Copy the custom function to the clipboard. So I go in, manage the custom functions, and I click and select just the ones that I want to document here. I'm going to copy those to the clipboard. Come back to our little tool, export. It's going to ask me to put them somewhere. So I'm going to create a new folder just called CF Docs on my desktop. You can see it pop up. That's in my, let's move that out here. There we go. Let's go back to desktop. There, so we want that one. I'm going to open that, and if I open this up, you see all these files in here. So if we look at this docs.md, this is a markdown file which has all of the functions in our library all sorted and with the documentation, so you can go through and read a little bit about the API for each of these functions. So those are all in there, and then each individual function is also exported as a text file, and we can open that up and look at those. And so those have the docs but also the function. Now this is great, so when we check it into GitHub, we can see exactly what changed between different versions of the file. So that is how we do it, and then we move all this stuff into our repo and check it into GitHub, and we're all good. Final step is we dance.